Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essential prerequisites. Your phone model and OS version matter because settings differ. Once ready, open the recent calls list and locate the unwanted number. Press the info or menu icon, then choose block or add to blacklist. This directly stops that number. Make sure to save a screenshot of the block confirmation so you can verify the action later, and note the number in a quick note app. This helps if you need to appeal to your carrier. Once done with the basic block, move to deeper defenses. Enable built-in spam protection like silence unknown callers on iPhone or caller ID and spam protection on Android. Next, install or configure your carrier's call filtering or a reputable third-party app and create rules to auto-block patterns like private, international, or repeated short calls. Make sure to sync or export the block list so that numbers persist across devices. To finish, verify the blocks. Test with a secondary number or ask a trusted friend to call and confirm the call is stopped. If the random calls keep coming, escalate to your carrier and request network-level blocking or a number change. They can often filter at the switch. If things go wrong, check app permissions, ensure Do Not Disturb isn't interfering, and reset call settings or reinstall the filtering app. Keep records of dates and numbers to help carrier support resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.